beautiful long signal showed up today, guys, at 9:56 a.m. sharp on this market, allowing us to catch yet another winning trade. All right, guys and gals, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at Dino Trading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or client, then I already know you crushed it today when you nailed this trend change, right? And as many of you long-term clients already know, we are on a mission to train and educate every professional trader out there on the secrets and the power behind a trend trading system and a trend trading strategy. In my humble opinion, there is no better trading system or style than a trend trading system or style. Because once a trend starts, as I'm going to show you in two different trading setups today, okay? Once that trend starts, there's no force on earth that can stop that trend. And folks, something else I want to add. If you ask me, all right, in my opinion, these trends happen only in the morning session. I mean, case in point, it's 11:54 a.m. right now, and I'm done with my trading. All right, it's not even lunchtime yet, and I'm done with my trading for the day. So it's like you got to ask yourself a question, man. What other system or strategy do you know that can potentially help you wrap up your trading day by 12 p.m. in the afternoon? Right? I mean, I don't know about you guys out there, but the reason that I personally trade is for financial freedom. I don't want to have a boss. I don't want to have a 9-to-5 job. I just want to trade for a couple hours in the morning, and then I want to do whatever else I want to do with my life the rest of the day. And to my knowledge, there is no other industry or career path in the world that allows me to do that other than trading. That's why I freaking love trading, man. That's why I really appreciate all of you guys and gals out there who are my long-term clients and are continuing to crush it on a daily basis. Now let's get to the good stuff, guys. What you're seeing on the screen right now is our proprietary volume indicator color band. And as I mentioned before, this indicator has one job and one job only, and that is to help you identify a trend change. Because like I said, guys and gals, the big money and the massive profits are in your ability to identify a trend change. Now here's how we play this, okay? The first thing that we do is we look for a color change which happened today, right? You can see here this thing changed colors from red to green around 9:41. But this is not where we take a trade, right? Instead, we want to play the pullback and only the pullback. Now, what does that look like? Well, number one, guys and gals, you know that we have to see some upward momentum be established on this color change. We then want to wait to see the market come back to us. However, this color band cannot change, right? It's got to maintain its green status because the trend change has to remain intact. Right? So our theory today at 9:56 was to play a trend change to the long side, right? So everything's lining up, everything's looking good. This market's coming right back to us, and kaboom, we get one of these bars right over here. You guys know what this bar is, right? This is a pullback retracement bar. It's a green bar against the green color band, and the low of that bar is underneath the band. That's it. That's the entire trading setup. Now, did your charts look like this today? Right? Were you able to catch a magnificent rally today? Probably not. The sad reality is that 90% of you guys and gals out there have no idea what you're doing. You guys are just gambling on your candlesticks or your Bollinger Bands or whatever nonsense indicators that you're using. Right? Folks, I'm telling you, there is no substitute for volume. Volume is what pushes these markets around. What do you think caused this gigantic rally from this exact moment in time at 9:56 a.m., right? What do you think caused the market to skyrocket and surge straight up, right? It's volume. That's why this indicator is so valuable. You want to know something funny? Look at this. Look at this over here. All you guys who lucked out today and were playing it to the short side or looking for short, look at that right over there, right? We get a trend change at about 8:55. We establish the downtrend. We then see the market come back to us, right? And since the volume color band is red, we're looking for shorts, and kaboom, we get another nice short trade right on the money. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, don't let anybody tell you that a trend trading system doesn't work, right? In my opinion, a trend trading system and a trend trading style and the ability to capture these magnificent giant moves, okay, is very valuable. And that's why I think a volume-based indicator and a volume-based method of identifying these trend changes like we did today at 9:56 a.m. on the nose, okay, well, that's what makes this system so valuable. Okay, so for all you guys and gals who are still sitting on the sidelines, get your butt off the sidelines, get involved. For everybody else, man, I'm so glad you guys crushed it today. It's the best feeling in the world to be done with your trading by lunch, and I cannot wait to see if we're going to get more setups like this tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.